Dominick, astronauta de la NASA y comandante de la misión SpaceX Crew 8, pasó casi 8 meses en la Estación Espacial Internacional ejecutando experimentos científicos y manejando sistemas avanzados en microgravedad. Seleccionado como astronauta en el 2017, fue antes piloto de pruebas de la Armada de los Estados Unidos, con más de 1,600 horas de vuelo. En esta nota comparte su visión sobre el futuro de la exploración humana del espacio.
I am most excited for the future of spaceflight for an inflection point that I feel is coming. If you look at the history of civilization and various inflection points, things just kind of take off. I am NASA astronaut Dominick, commander, NASA's SpaceX Crew 8 mission to the International Space Station. I grew up in Wheat Ridge, Colorado. I was the oldest of 2 brothers. I had 2 parents that were amazing in that they encouraged my curiosity. Growing up there in the Rockies and the outdoors, there were so many things to go and do and see. I've always wanted to explore and satiate my curiosity for the world around me. And so I just kept pushing throughout my life. I joined the Navy because I wanted to fly airplanes, I wanted to go fast, I wanted to test airplanes. And so astronaut for me was just the next logical step in life to keep going and keep exploring and keep pushing myself further in terms of intellectual curiosity about the world around me. I've been at NASA now for about 6 years, and I'm super excited to fly in space. Working and training with Crew 8 is absolutely awesome. We have a diverse group of academic and intellectual backgrounds that come together, and also an international component. It is such a blast to watch the crew grow as we started training over time, to watch that team dynamics develop as we get ready to launch. We're starting to see what makes each other tick, what's important to each other. I view Crew 8 like an Olympic torchbearer. That's where I see Crew 8. We are a torchbearer on that path to the Olympics that are going to occur in the future as we move humanity forward. We're going up there to relieve Crew 7, Crew 9 will relieve us, and we are keeping the flame of space, human presence in low Earth orbit, alive. If you're a studier of science or statistics, you know that you always want to have a big N, and that just means sample size, to understand the thing you're studying. So just launching 1 or 2 or 10 or 15 people to space leaves you with a very small sample size. So every time we launch 4 more people to space, we're building our sample size and our understanding of the human body and the things that happen to it in a zero-gravity environment. That sets us up to go to the moon. It sets us up to go to Mars. Many folks think of NASA and they think we're using crazy cutting-edge technology and all kinds of adjectives and superlatives to make space work. There's no smoke and mirrors, there's no magic. It is just hard work through the laws of physics and basic material science to get us into orbit. That's the magic. We are part of a massive team of people that need to continue continuous human presence in low Earth orbit and not letting that flame go out. We are line soldiers on the ground marching to make sure that this continues, and just being a small part of that and continuing that is what's important.